Hello friends, welcome once again. In the last video we created welcome section. Now we will create our experts chef section. So let's start with this. We'll take another section, class chef section. Okay, div class container. Let's look at the design. We have this image. Let's export this SVG export, and we have this chef image. We'll export it as a PNG image. Let me check, yes. And we have this tick image. We will also export this as SVG image. Export. Okay. Now we have two columns. One is content and the other one is image. Now we'll take one plus chef content wrap. In this div we'll take two another divs. One is for chef content, another one is div class chef content and chef image. Okay, now let's add our expert chef, and this one will use h3 and paragraph tag. Let's replace the content. First, we always create HTML. Now, for this list, we will use ul li. Okay, we have six list items: one, two, three, four, five, six. Copy 3, 4, 5, 6. We can use, we can show this tick icon as an image added here, and we can also show this tick icon through CSS. I will show you how we can show this tick icon with CSS. And we have two buttons. We'll use the same code so that we don't have to do code twice for the same structure and the design. And we have this chef image. uh, Let me move these images to a folder. This one is chef, check image, and the onions bg. Okay, now add image tag, images, chef one. We'll change the name chef f2. Name should be the single word like chef, or we can use hyphen. We don't have to use spaces or the capital letters while naming the files and the images. Now our HTML is ready. Now we will do CSS. Let's first look at the front end. Hmm, where this image goes, I think dash group 27. Okay, I replaced the wrong image. Burger. Okay, this one is onions BG. We have this HTML. Now we will style this. As we see that the style of the heading in the sections is the same, we'll create a class so that we don't have to uh, repeat the CSS code. Let me show you. We'll subheading. Okay, subheading class h3. We have this h3 control h. Edit this. Okay, I am going to remove this. Let me use heading class. Now in CSS, in HTML, we'll use class heading, and here let me show you first there. Why it is not working? Let me check. Welcome. Okay, I this is section title h3. Dish content. I think I copied the wrong code. Let me revert this. Subheading. Here is the welcome content. Control H, Control V, and now remove this. Control C, Control Z, Control this. Now it is fine. Let me replace this and remove this. Now have a look here. Yes, and here we have our heading. Now let's give class to the burger set welcome section heading. Okay, now have a look. Okay, now let's Start with the CHEF chef section. Okay, we need to give, let me see how much space, 118 and 90. We'll give the same space 100 pixel above top and bottom. Now replace this background image, onions bg. We need this at top left, contain this background with white. Okay, let's see. Chef, background size, auto, auto. Okay, now divide the section into two columns. Now copy this class, this display flats, display grid, grid template, columns 1 FR, gap 30 pixel. Okay, now grid template column. Let's see. Chef section, chef content wrap, chef image. Okay, something is wrong here. Chef image here, hero button, chef content. Here is chef content wrap, chef content wrap, chef content. Here we have extra closing div. Okay, now it is fixed. Align item center. You see, now text is vertically aligned. Now let's design the UL, and we also need to update the color. Maximum width is 456 pixel. Color, this one, hashtag max width 456 pixel. Chef content wrap. Okay, margin 25, and here margin bottom 40 pixel, or let's check the margin here also, 17 pixel, 18 pixel 0 is that is fine. Okay, have a look. Chef content wrap here. Now you see, now we will design this ULLI. We'll use the same wrapper class UL display grid, grid template, columns, 1FR, 1FR. You see, we have two columns. Copy code CSS. Replace the extra code. Okay. Now check the gap. 33 pixel, and here we have 15, 15 and 30. Okay. We have, if we use the gap property like 30 pixel, it will give same gap between rows and columns. But we can use column gap 15 pixel and row gap 30 pixel. Okay, so in this way we can give different gaps. Now let's look at here. Okay, and here we have 42 pixel margin bottom 42 pixel. Okay, now we need to show this tick check icons. Here we have 10 pixel gap between the check and the list, and its size is 24 pixel, 24 pixel of check icon size, and plus 10 pixel gap. Now we will give padding to the li of 34 pixel from left side. Let me show you this. Okay, li padding left 34 pixel. We will show this check icon using after before CSS. We'll show it using before position absolute top 0 left 0 content blank, width will be 24 pixel, and height of the icon is 24 pixel, so height will be 24 pixel. Background image URL images slash check. Okay, background position center background, repeat, no repeat, background, size, contain. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, uh, we need to give position relative here so that it will work with respect to the list item. It is little bit down parallel to the L. Move this little bit down from top. One, two, three pixels. Okay, 3 pixel like this. And we need to list style none. Okay, you see we have onion check icons here, chef image. So in this way we can move this background image down, like let me show you, 0 0 pixel, 50 pixel. Okay, chef background position here. Have a look here, our experts section, our experts chef section. Thank you for watching this. I'll see you in the next video where we will create our happy customer slider. Thank you for watching this. If you not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.